Hi friends, it's Claire from ScrappyNerdUK and I'm super excited to be bringing this video to you. I was asked to be guest designer at Lollipop Box Club, and this box has got loads of little bits and bobs in it, and so I thought I'd make a scrapbook layout using a few bits from the kit. So the background paper is just from my stash, but this week planner page, this is traditionally used in a planner or a diary, but I thought I would make it into a scrapbook layout. So I'm currently going through a weight loss and fitness journey, and I wanted to document this in some way, and this was quite cool to be able to add a load of little photos. So I printed these 6 photos on a 4x6 a 4x6 print on my selfie, and then I just trimmed them down a little bit to be able to fit into each of those boxes. So these photos weren't necessarily taken on the days that are on the card, but I wanted it to sort of symbolise that this is what my week looked like. So I've got a couple of photos there of me, well, one of me looking hot, one of me on the exercise bike, one of me walking the dogs, another one of how far I went on the exercise bike. That's what I started off with, 5k, and one of my Apple Watch telling me that I haven't moved enough. So yeah, I printed those and just popped those in the little boxes. And next up I'm working on these tags. So these tags are just plain white tags from my stash. And I wanted to incorporate all of the flamingos from the kit. So these little flamingo paper clips are the cutest. So I've just threaded those paper clips through the top of the tag holes rather than using twine. And then I'm going to use some of the papers from the kit to create my paper layers behind my photos, or behind that planner page. And then I'm going to, or the plan is to have the tags sort of nestled in to that central stack of papers. So I'm just going back to the stickers. You may have seen me just use some stickers from the sheet, and they were the little flower ones, and I've added a couple of those onto that planner sheet. And I'm using this washi, it's like a washi strip, but it's more a sticker, across the bottom of the 2 larger tags to help me fill some of that white area. I didn't want to use coloured tags. I wanted to bring a bit more of the white, just like I do with like I've got on the tags. Like I've got on the planner page. Next up, so this is a printable that was in the box as well. And so I'm going to go ahead and just fussy cut out some of these little elements to use on my layout. So there's the number 1 and the number 2, and I thought I would use those on the first and the last photos to sort of say almost day 1, here's me on the bike, and day 2, I'm strong, or number 2, I'm strong as anything. I'm not really, but I thought I would make use of those. And then there were a few words on that sheet, but nothing that would really work for me for this story that I'm telling. So what I did was actually cut into different words to create it's like a subtitle that's New Me. Next up, I went into my alpha stash, because if you've been here a while, you know that my alpha stash is strong. My thickers game is strong. So I thought I'd grab out some matching pink thickers to create my title, and that's a little note section at the bottom of that planner page, but I thought it would be a perfect position for me to be able to add my title onto. And I just made the alphas wonky. I spoke about this before. Making them wonky on purpose makes them... I'm never fussing around with trying to get them absolutely straight. And I actually prefer the look of wonky alphas anyway. So next up, I just added a couple of circle stickers from the sheet. Those stickers are from Mrs. Brimble's. and those are in the box as well. And then we've got some other little cards, and although it's not a traditional summer memory, obviously that's more like going to the beach and having picnics and having fun in the sun. This is my summer story. I have been on this journey. I've been on a weight loss journey since February, and my weight loss had not been, despite doing a calorie deficit diet, it's not really working for me, and I don't know why. So I've just started Slimming World, which, if you're not in the UK, it's just like a slimming group that you follow their diet plan. And yeah, I had my first weigh-in last week and I'd lost 5 pounds, so I was super chuffed with that. So yeah, we'll see what this week brings. I am being super good. I am, even on my calorie deficit diet, I was super good, but for whatever reason my body is not responding to lack of calories. So we'll see what happens with this new diet anyway, and also increasing the exercise with trying to get out more and trying to exercise more, which is why I've bought the exercise bike. So I've since upped my distance from 5 to 10k. Sometimes I do 8 and put the resistance up to make it a bit harder. So I'm trying my best. So here, whilst I've been blabbing away, I've just been adding a few stickers on here and there, and my journaling makes it onto that left-hand tag, and a couple of those, again, those little squares that say dreaming of, I've just layered those up and added on some inspirational bits that I want to aspire to. And next up, this little sticker book came in the kit as well, and there's some really lovely stickers in here. It's just it's a Dovecraft sticker book, and yeah, just adding in a whole load. I go sticker sneeze on this, stickers everywhere. So I just add a whole load of stickers onto this layout, and I'm just adding that one on up the top there. Yeah, there's a load of different designs in here, so you don't often see me use green, but there was a fair bit of leafy green in this, and it works well with the flamingo theme. So I'm making the most of it and adding some of the green bits on to my layout. You'll see me just keep going and going and going with these stickers. So yeah, I mean, the kit, obviously it's not a scrapbook kit, so it doesn't have ephemera. Oh, this kit doesn't. I know sometimes they do. So I'm really making the most of using the stickers as my ephemera, and it works out really well. And I'm really pleased with how this layout actually turns out in the end as well. So and it's nice to sort of push your boundaries and step outside your comfort zone, and not necessarily, I work a lot in collections, and so this was nice to be able to try something new and make something that's not all put together for me from a collection point of view. Although this is all made to coordinate, it's certainly not something that I tend to scrap with, so it was quite nice to have the challenge. So I think that's it for the stickers. I think I need to stop with the stickers now. So yeah, I'm just adding in all of the little leafy green bits, and I think I'm pretty much done with the stickers. Just going to give that a little bit of an underline just to help that stand out a little bit, and it is a little bit wonky. I can never draw in a straight line. Next up, I like a bit of texture on my layout, and it was all very flat at this stage, apart from the obviously the paper clips. So I'm just going to add in some thread to a couple of my clusters, and I like the pop of gold on this as well. So I went with gold. I was originally going to go with a bit of pink, but I did end up with going with a bit of gold thread in the end. And I think there's enough pink on here anyway. And then I'm just lifting up my edges just so they aren't so flat. And then I think once I've finished this, I think do I add on a little splash of the old gold Heidi shine? And I think it's worth its weight in gold at the moment, isn't it? I'm not too sure when she's meant to be bringing out a new Formula One, because that's what I heard was happening, but suppose we'll have to see on that front. But yeah, I think I do add a little splash of some gold ink on this one as well. I should really have done this before I put my layers down, but hey ho. And that is pretty much it. And so I thank you very much for joining me. If you have enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new, hit that subscribe button and leave any comments down below. See you next time. Bye.